चलिए जी, all right. So welcome everyone. बहुत बहुत स्वागत आप सभी का. A very warm welcome. Good afternoon. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to cover lots of topics here. This is the fourth part of our series where we are doing 1000 plus most expected questions for your MH CET, for your SLAT, for JAMIA and all such other entrance exams that you are preparing for. As you are aware that if it preparing for these exams, it's not just an exam where there are current affairs. There are lots of questions which are from varied topics, right? So there will be static GK questions also, right? Pure static, that means there will be questions from history, there will be questions from polity, there will be questions from economics. It's almost a certainty. Economics, lots of questions on economy will be there in your exams. There will be certain questions on geography as well, on science and such other miscellaneous things as well. So guys, what we'll do is through questions we'll try to cover as much static GK as possible. Here in this session we'll be starting off with some economics questions as well as current affairs, of course. So there will be some economics questions. Make sure that you have a pen and paper ready and start writing in case you aren't aware of the questions that we are discussing, right? So let's begin. Let's start. Alright guys, so the first question that we have for all of you is this. What is the answer here? You can see the person is there in the picture as well, who secured the bronze medal 53 kg category in World Championship 2023 Serbia. Now you will definitely eliminate 𝗟𝗲𝗴𝗹, because if 𝗟𝗲𝗴𝗹 had got a bronze medal, why would we be discussing it here? Of course this has to be an Indian, and the right answer here is Antim Pangal. Antim Pangal was the bronze medalist at the 53 kg category at World Championship 2023. We're hoping high next year with Olympics to come. Alright, which of the following states unveiled a transformative scheme called Mukhyamantri Atmanirbhar Assam, aimed at bolstering the self-reliance of states' youth? Now here this is very very important. Now I'm sure with Assam written here, I'm sure you are aware that this is what Assam is actually called in the local language over there. Hemant Biswa Sharma has been in news, and he has been implementing all the schemes as you can see here on in front of you as well. This is to make sure that the youth of the state are self-reliant. They can start their own enterprise, entrepreneurship journey, whatever they want. So the government will definitely help them out, be it financially, be it providing them with necessary infrastructure and all such other things. Alright, now which of the following international organization has signed a landmark statement of intent with the United Nations Development Program in addressing global development challenges? The right answer here, the third question in front of us, is option C, that is the International Organization for Standardization. Now this body has signed a statement of intent with UNDP to address the global development challenges, right? So becomes important for us. All right, they can also ask us that International Organization for Standardization has signed up with which body. So UNDP, you should be aware. Either ways the question can be asked. Alright, which state became the first to issue birth registration certificates immediately after delivery? Now this is actually a very good initiative. So you do not need to go and apply anywhere, right? If you talk about states like Rajasthan, it's not that easy. You have to go to the local whatever the bodies are, you have to go there, you have to apply, and then you get your birth certificates done. Here in Uttar Pradesh, immediately upon birth, you don't have to go anywhere. You will get the birth certificate delivered there in the hospital itself or the delivery place itself. So that's how you can see here birth registration certificates are to be issued from now on. This will help the government also to keep track on the number of kids being delivered in Uttar Pradesh, the state with the highest population, right? Which of the following states tops the list in solar water pump installations in the year 2023? Solar water pump installations. The right answer? It is Rajasthan now. Rajasthan is the right answer. So the Rajasthan state has topped the chart solar water pump installations. Alright, ये बताइए मुझे कौन सा प्लेयर बना फर्स्ट पोजीशन, राइट, फर्स्ट रैंक्ड इंडियन बॉलर इन ओडीआई प्लेयर रैंकिंग 2023. इसके बाद मुझे एक और चीज बतानी है आपको, T20I रैंकिंग्स में भी नंबर 1 है इंडिया का ही प्लेयर, राइट. रैंकिंग फॉर द बॉलर्स, द नंबर 1 रैंक्ड कौन है दोस्तों? हु इज द नंबर 1 रैंक्ड T20I बॉलर? द राइट आंसर इज रवि बिश्नोई. Ravi Bishnoi is the number 1 ranked T20I bowler, and the right answer here to this question is, नहीं बेटा हार्दिक पांड्या नहीं है, ये है मोहम्मद सिराज, राइट. मोहम्मद सिराज इज द राइट आंसर. नंबर 1 रैंक बॉलर बने थे ये, देख सकते हो आप ओडीआई रैंकिंग्स में एंड T20I रैंकिंग्स में. राइट नाउ ऑल्सो रवि बिश्नोई ये इंडिया के प्लेयर हैं, and he has not even got enough opportunities. As you must be aware, recently T20 series जो हुई थी against South Africa, Ravi Bishnoi was not playing. He was in the substitutes, right? But he is ranked number 1 T20I bowler. Look at the immense talent that the Indian cricket team possesses. Alright, which of the following state conducted the 4th G20 infrastructure group meeting under the Indian presidency? Very good, Harry. Correct answer, Shreyas, Madhu. Well done. The right answer, 7th question, it is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, the state which has the most number of tigers in India, most number of tiger reserves in India. Madhya Pradesh. Infrastructure, G20 infrastructure group meeting conducted here. Alright, which of the following country co-hosted with India the 13th Indo-Pacific Army Chief Conference? Now this is very important. Indo-Pacific Army Chief Conference. This was the 3-day conference of chiefs which was conducted in New Delhi, right. 35 countries and their delegates were actually present. So New Delhi में हुआ ये. So venue can be asked. So this is New Delhi. Along with which country? This was done along with United States. So US and India co-hosted this in New Delhi, right. The 3-day conference of Chief of Armies of 35 countries. Alright, with respect to the Cricket World Cup now, definitely do expect certain questions here. So the anthem for the Cricket World Cup 2023 was Dil Jasn Bole. Please remember this. I'm sure you all have seen Ranveer Singh dancing on this song. So yes, the question is which Bollywood superstar appeared here? The right answer is Ranveer Singh, and the name of the song is Dil Jasn Bole. Dil Jasn Bole is the song. To remember, who was the winner of the Cricket World Cup? It was Australia, defeating India in the finals. Most number of wickets, Mohammad Shami. Most number of runs scored, Virat Kohli, right? So Virat Kohli, most runs and most wickets, Mohammad Shami. Most wickets in the World Cup. Alright. Next, Mohammad Shami also became the first Indian bowler to take 50 wickets in one-day international World Cups. Alright, which of the following countries won the bid to host the International Congress on the Chemistry of Cement in 2027? Which country has won the bid to host the International Congress on Chemistry of Cement? The right answer is India. India is the right answer. That's why the question is here, right? India is the right answer. Alright, a market economy. Now there are certain strategy questions now, economics questions, right? So be ready. Very simple question this is. Market economy is driven by what? We all are aware. It is the process of demand and supply, right? Market economy is driven by the principles of supply and demand. That means it is option C, both 1 and 2, supply and demand. Which organization does measurement of employment and unemployment in India? भाई ये एम्प्लॉयमेंट अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ये फाइनेंस कमीशन थोड़ी करेगी, ये कौन करेगा? नीति आयोग करेगा क्या? वो भी नहीं करेगा. कौन करेगा ये? दिस विल बी कंडक्टेड बाय द NSSO, the body that deals with statistics. Yes, that's the body. All right, what type of checks are issued by the bank itself? भाई लोकल चेक तो कोई भी इशू कर सकता है, बियरर चेक भी, राइट? बैंक खुद इशू कर रहा है तो ये क्या होना चाहिए? इट इज द बैंकर्स चेक, ऑफ कोर्स, राइट? सो बैंक इशू खुद कर रहा है, कौन सा चेक है वो? इट्स द बैंकर्स चेक. ऑलराइट, चलिए. Check and demand draft come under the purview of which of the following acts? Now here, whenever cases of check bounces happen, which act comes into the picture? It's the Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881, right? The Negotiable Instrument Act of 1881 is the law which actually takes care of check as well as demand draft disputes. So D here is the right answer. All right, chaliye next. Very good, Harry. Which, or rather, where is the headquarter of the Asian Development Bank located? दोस्तों Asian Development Bank जो है, this is for obviously just for the countries that are there in Asia. They can take any form of financial help from this bank, and this bank is located, help in the form of whatever the reasons are, you need to establish that you are doing it for the development of the country, right? So the right answer is Philippines. Yeah, Philippines is the right answer. Very good, Harry. Again, it is Mandaluyong in Philippines. All right, moving on. Open market operation is a popular term of Indian economy. What does it mean? Open market operation, what does it mean? Guys, open market operation क्या है? देखिए, Reserve Bank of India can usually what it does is मतलब prints money, regulates the money, regulates the banks, etc. all these things. It also, whenever it so requires that it is in need of regulating the money in terms of अगर liquidation कम करनी है, बढ़ानी है, तो what it does is it either sells or it purchases government securities depending on what the current needs are, right? So open market operation means when in the public, the Reserve Bank of India sells and purchases the government securities, right, in open market. All right, next, statutory liquidity ratio, SLR, is maintained as a percentage of what? Now this is again determined by the Reserve Bank of India, and it is maintained as a percentage of net demand and time liabilities. Net demand and time liabilities. Guys, if you're facing this question, if you're thinking कि सर ये कैसे याद होगा इतने सारी चीजें, तो मैं बता दूं आपको, ये सब के सब चीजें हमने डिटेल में डिस्कस कर रखी है in the async recordings, right? The async recordings is the place where we have done this in great detail, right? इसको बहुत डिटेल में हमने वहां पे कर रखा है. All right, चलिए. So in which year were the regional rural banks established? The right answer is 1975. 1975, the regional rural banks were established. Make sure that the pre-recorded videos you exhaust. If you are a student who does not have the access of these pre-recorded videos, you can avail this. The free 3-day trial is obviously going on. Apart from that, you can also purchase our other law and test course. You just need to call on the helpline number, have a word with our counselor, and you can avail these recordings as well as live classes, of course. The fifth character of IFSC code is 0 and reserved for what? अब ये क्यों करेंगे? Obviously आज की डेट में जो requirement है वो 4 digits में पूरी हो रही है. कल को अगर नंबर बढ़ गए, ब्रांचेस बढ़ गई, सब चीजें हो गई, तब फिर उस वजह से 0 रखा गया है फिफ्थ डिजिट को for future use, right? So for future use is the right answer here. Which is the first life insurance company in India established in the year 1818? 1818. First life insurance company established in the year 1818. क्या है जी जवाब यहाँ पे? What is the right answer? The right answer, yes, is it is the Oriental Life Insurance Company. Oriental Life Insurance Company. Alright guys, people watching this video and are yet to hit that like button, फटाफट से like का बटन दबा दो. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया चैनल को तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर लेना फटाफट से. Alright, who among the following has bagged the title in the men's event at the Diamonds League Final 2023? Diamonds League Final. कौन जीता? Male event, men's event, javelin throw we are talking about. The right answer is, ये देख सकते हो आप, 𝗟𝗂𝗴𝗏. Right, he was the winner in the men's event, right, with Neeraj Chopra bagging silver. Which of the following state launched a new e-Bhumi portal that promises to further ease the process of purchasing land for development of government projects and the consent of landowners? So this will be much more easy. Otherwise, it's a difficult task. As you are aware, if there is a government project coming up and then there is some land which belongs to a private person, the government, yes, has the power to take the land, but yes, government has to wait a lot, and there might be litigation as well, and all such other things which are definitely hampering the overall infra development of the country. So here e-Bhumi portal has been launched, which will ease this entire process, and this has been launched by Haryana government, right? So Haryana has done this. All right. Who among the following Indian fashion designer has received France's आप देख सकते हो highest civilian honor, Knight of the Order of Arts and Letters? ये देख सकते हो आप, सबसे प्रेस्टिजियस कल्चरल अवार्ड जो मिलता है फ्रेंच गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, Chevalier d'Ordre des Arts et des Letters. The right answer is Rahul Mishra. Rahul Mishra is the person, I'm sure आप लोगों को इनमें से एक ही नाम आपने सुना हुआ, इसलिए वही आपने मार्क किया. बट द राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी. ऑलराइट, प्रधानमंत्री विरासत का संवर्धन इज अ स्कीम ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया? विरासत का संवर्धन, विरासत का संवर्धन इज द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ माइनॉरिटी अफेयर्स. ये देख सकते हो आप, माइनॉरिटी अफेयर्स. हु इज द यूनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर माइनॉरिटीज? इट इज Arjun Munda. Arjun Munda is the Union Minister for Minority Affairs. ठीक है, चलिए. गुड हैरी. व्हाट अबाउट रेस्ट ऑफ यू? सभी को आंसर करना है दोस्तों. चलिए, ठीक है. This is to benefit the people coming from tribal areas. All right. With respect to the Sagarmala program, which of the following statements are correct? So there are three statements given here. First one, you can see the core vision of the Sagarmala program is to reduce the logistic cost for EXIM and domestic trade and minimal infrastructure investment. Absolutely right. It is the flagship program of Ministry of Commerce and Industry. नहीं भाई, किस मिनिस्ट्री का है ये बताइए जरा, कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री का है? For implementing the Sagarmala project, state governments would set up state level Sagarmala committees that would be headed by the chief ministers. Absolutely right. The right answer is option C, where 1 and 3 statements are right. 2 जहां पे भी है वो गलत हो गया. तो अब मुझे बताइए ये कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री का के अंडर आता है? सागरमाला प्रोग्राम कम्स अंडर विच मिनिस्ट्री? राइट आंसर नाम से पता चल रहा है, सागरमाला, इट्स द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ शिपिंग. राइट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ शिपिंग, वाटरवेज, पोर्ट्स. ऑलराइट, सर्बानंद सोनोवाल. The National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme was started in which year? apprenticeship. I'm sure you guys will be doing it in just a few months time, right? Internship जिसे हम कहते हैं. So what is the right answer? Started in the year 2010. So the government is also helping out. 2010 is the right answer. All right, who is the Secretary General of the United Nations? The Secretary General of the United Nations, very easy this is, Antonio Guterres. Now, appointments, current heads and headquarter, these are also certain things which are to be remembered. Theme of International Day of Peace at 2023. International Day of Peace की theme क्या है दोस्तों? The right answer, action for peace, our ambition for the global goals. Actions for peace, our ambition for the global goals. This is the theme for देख सकते हो आप 2023 International Day of Peace for 2023. This is the year when there were two major wars which the world saw, right? One in Israel, one between Israel Palestine, the other one between Ukraine Russia, still going on. So actions for peace, ambition for the global goals. All right, what is Article 15 talking about? Among the following, which is correct? Article 15 talks about which of the following? Equality before law, abolition of untouchability, prohibition of discrimination based on caste, color, race, etc., or equal opportunity for public employment. Now these are the questions which have been previously asked as well, so do remember this Article 15 actually talks about prohibition of discrimination based on caste, color, race, sex, etc. So nobody can discriminate you on these grounds. All right, National Space Day is celebrated each year on what day? The right answer is the 23rd of August, right? 23rd of August to be celebrated as National Space Day. ये आपको याद रखना है दोस्तों, National Space Day. ठीक है जी, चलिए. Chandrayaan 3 has a role here. That's why this becomes important. All right, Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary, which was in news recently, is located in which of the following state? Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary, which was in news. The sanctuary located in Madhya Pradesh. Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary located in Madhya Pradesh. All right, Pulicat Lake passes through which of the following states of India? The Pulicat Lake passes through the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and the Coromandel coast, right? So option A is the right answer. तो इस तरह से ज्योग्राफी के भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं हमारे एग्जाम में. ये देखिए, अगेन अनदर ज्योग्राफी. So today's session we have questions from geography, we have questions from international affairs, current affairs of course. Apart from that, economics. So mixed bag hai, and this is what you will expect in SLAT, MH CET, JAMIA among other exams. All right, Nilgiri spread across the states of dash. कहाँ है दोस्तों नीलगिरी? The right answer, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. नीलगिरी, the mountain ranges, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा height नहीं है mountains की, but still spread across Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. All right, what is the full form of Chat GPT chatbot launched by OpenAI? OpenAI ने जो ये Chat GPT लॉन्च किया है, बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है, यूज़ किया जाता है बहुत लोगों के द्वारा. तो बताइए ज़रा फुल फॉर्म क्या है इसका? तो इट इज़ चैट जनरेटिव प्री ट्रेन्ड ट्रांसफॉर्मर. चैट जनरेटिव प्री ट्रेन्ड ट्रांसफॉर्मर. ऑप्शन डी is the right answer. All right, the El Nino is a climate pattern that describes the unusual warming of surface waters in which ocean? Now this question also has been discussed in the async recordings, the pre-recorded sessions that we have for you guys. So in case any one of you has not yet subscribed to our channel and yet to download the app and are not part of the 2024 other law entrance test batch, make sure that you join us. The pre-recorded videos will also be available along with the live classes. चलिए, the right answer here is the Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean in the world, which is the deepest point when we talk about Pacific Ocean. I'm sure you are aware, the Mariana Trench, deepest point in the earth. All right, which country will host the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Film Festival? अभी already host हो चुका है. किस country ने किया? Shanghai Cooperation Organization Film Festival, SCO member India भी है भाई, देख सकते हो आप. India hosted the SCO Film Festival 2023. Whose hallmark is needed to check the purity of gold? आप लोगों ने कभी गोल्ड लिया हो, गोल्ड देखा हो, तो किसका होता है जी? ये ब्यूरो ऑफ ये देख सकते हो इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स, राइट. सो BIS का हॉलमार्क टू चेक द प्योरिटी ऑफ गोल्ड. कितने कैरेट है? 22, 24, राइट. वो यहाँ से पता चलता है. ऑलराइट, ये बताइए जरा, विच शेड्यूल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया प्रोवाइड्स फॉर प्रोविजंस रिगार्डिंग एंटी डिफेक्शन एक्ट? रिगार्डिंग एंटी डिफेक्शन एक्ट, एंटी डिफेक्शन एक्ट. द राइट आंसर, एंटी डिफेक्शन मतलब क्या है? किसी पार्टी को आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया, मान लीजिए आपने इलेक्शंस फाइट किए, आप पार्टी ए के हैं और आपने मैनिफेस्टो भी लोगों को दिखाया, वो पार्टी ए का दिखाया, उसके बाद इलेक्शन जीत गए, फिर आपने बोला मैं तो पार्टी बी ज्वाइन कर रहा हूं. ये तो गलत हो गया ना. जिसने भी आपको वोट दिया, उन्होंने आपका मैनिफेस्टो पढ़ा, उनको तो मैनिफेस्टो ए अच्छा लगा, उनको लगा कि यार हाँ आपकी थिंकिंग जो है पार्टी ए से मिलती है, उस हिसाब से उन्होंने वोट किया. अब आपने पार्टी चेंज कर दी, तो दिस इज नोन एज एंटी डिफेक्शन. बट यस, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ लूप होल्स, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स दैट कैन बी डन, जो कि की जाती भी है, जो आपको पता है, जिसकी वजह से जो है एंटी डिफेक्शन के अंडर बहुत कम केसेस आते हैं. बट खैर, एनी विच वेज, वेयर इज दिस मेंशन्ड इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? सो इट इज मेंशन्ड इन द 10th शेड्यूल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. ऑलराइट, विच टर्म इज यूज्ड? ये एग्जांपल दे देता हूं आपको आगे बढ़ने से पहले. अरुणाचल प्रदेश के जो चीफ मिनिस्टर थे, पेमा खंडू, उन्होंने 40 सीटें थी. अगर हम बात करें अरुणाचल प्रदेश की, तो 40 में से 39 सीट्स उस टाइम पे कांग्रेस एंड एलाइज की थी और एक थी बीजेपी एंड एलाइज की. आफ्टर द बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट वाज फॉर्म्ड इन द सेंटर, थोड़ी कुछ बातें हुई होगी, जो भी हुआ उसके बाद 39 मेंबर्स थे कांग्रेस के, उनमें से 38 जो हैं वो अपनी पार्टी जो है उन्होंने चेंज कर ली और वो ज्वाइन कर गए बीजेपी एंड एलाइज को, राइट. सो 39 मेजॉरिटी जो पहले कांग्रेस एंड एलाइज की थी, वो बीजेपी एंड एलाइज की होगी इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश. और एंटी डिफेक्शन का कोई लॉ नहीं लगा, क्योंकि देयर वर लूप होल्स, राइट, जो लॉयर्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स. ऑलराइट, व्हिच टर्म इज यूज्ड टू, ये देख सकते हो आप, ट्रिक पीपल into giving money or revealing personal information, है ना. आपको 2 लाख का प्राइज मिला है, आप अपना ATM पिन दे दीजिए, हम आपके उसमें डाल देंगे, राइट. इस तरह के जो चीजें करते हैं उसे कहते हैं फिशिंग, राइट. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज वॉइस फिशिंग, राइट. चलिए, तो भाई ध्यान रखना, पैसे अपने सब संभाल के रखना, कोई भी, देयर आर नो फ्री लंचेस इन द वर्ल्ड. Alright, which state has maximum tiger reserves in India? This has been discussed previously as well. मैंने बताया हुआ है आपको. Environment related questions भी आते हैं, इस तरह के questions भी आप expect कर सकते हैं. What is the right answer here? The right answer to this, yes, it is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has the maximum number of tiger reserves in India. Now some bonus questions. Which place receives the highest rainfall in the world? दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा बारिश कहां पे होती है इनमें से? The right answer, of course, we are all aware, Mawsynram, right? Mawsynram, which is 70 kilometers from Cherrapunji approx, right? देख सकते हो, receives highest rainfall in the world, Meghalaya. Which of the following are the eligibility criteria for a person to be elected as the president of India? सबसे पहले देखिए, he or she should be a citizen of India, absolutely right. He or she should be have completed 35 years of age, ये भी सही है. तो थर्ड पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं, क्योंकि all of the above तो होना ही है, क्योंकि 2 सही है, right? पर फिर भी पढ़ लेते हैं. He or she should be qualified to become a member of the Lok Sabha, absolutely right. The right answer is all of the above, right? So D is the right answer here. चलिए दोस्तों, अगर आपके फ्रेंड कोई भी तैयारी कर रहे हैं, आपके रिलेटिव, anyone preparing for the year 2025, guys, I recommend them this batch, the new batch where you'll get 380 hours of live classes, more than 300 recorded videos, 55 से भी ज़्यादा mock tests with video solutions, thousands of practice material, whatever is needed to ace the exam, you, my dear friend, will get that. Just call on this helpline number, have a word with our ACE counselors, and discuss with them what exactly do you want. In case you are preparing for the year 2024 itself, other law entrance exams, you still have a dedicated batch for you guys. Just call again on the helpline number and join our existing batch where students are getting benefited from all the pre-recorded classes as well as the live ones. राइट इसके साथ ही आप हमें फॉलो कर सकते हैं सारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे, डिटेल्स आपके सामने भी है, डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी है. साथ साथ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड प्रेस दैट लाइक बटन एज वेल so that you do not miss on such important updates and videos that we bring to you guys. Alright, so that's it guys for the day. We'll meet again in the next session. तब तक के लिए आप लोग रखिए अपना ध्यान. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you all in the next session.